Are you ready? All right, go. You gotta yank him out. I know you're not doing shit right now. Bravo, you're not doing shit. Hey! You're not doing shit. You, back it up, back it up. Back it up like 5 feet. Both of you. Back it up. Into. Okay. Drop it. Yeah, they see that's gonna stretch. This is gonna stretch. I want to tell him to start spinning tires a little bit and you guys jack him out.
It's not gonna work.
That's a stretch. Esa zona se estrechea.
Eso pesa demasiado, está clavado.
Yo sé, pero como el momento, esa soga se estira. That's what it's made for. Con that way nada más, pulling without stretching it, you're not doing shit.
You gotta get momentum.
That's why you only need about 5 feet, because si se revienta, se va a reventar el otro strap, so you know.
Yo, stop.
Came off. Espérate, espérate. Que se le zafó la soga del otro loco. Are you ready? Abo, you ready? Start spinning slowly. Got it. Got it, got it, got it. Dale. No se estrechó ni venga.